Today, Mississippi's Governor Tate Reeves announces the addition of 30,000 new first dose appointments for the COVID-19 vaccine. This comes the day after the decision to open up vaccinations to teachers and first responders. Many first responders have been waiting close to a month for their shots, but not in Webster County. WCBI's Stephen Pimpo was in Walthall today talking with emergency personnel about the vaccine and joins us live in the studio with more. Stephen?
That's right, Joey. The Webster County Deputy EMA Director told me this afternoon that many of their first responders have had access to the vaccine for nearly a month. However, while he and the volunteer fire chief agree widespread access to the COVID-19 vaccine is a good thing, they still have some reserves about getting it.
With the many cases that are out there, the risk is great.
For close to a year, the possibility of increased exposure to COVID-19 has been yet another risk facing first responders in Mississippi.
The things that are the unknowns is your car wrecks and things like that whenever you're dealing with patients that you don't know if that person is a positive COVID patient. You don't know their symptoms. But Tuesday, Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves announced first responders and teachers are now eligible for their first doses. Vaccinations being open for first responders is a good thing. I know we have members here on our department that has wanted the vaccine and has been waiting on it. Starting today, Mississippi first responders will now be able to schedule their appointments for the vaccine. But here in Webster County, some were able to get their first shots as early as January.
The hospital facility that they work for, they have made the vaccine available for them. They have been able to get it, and we're actually able to get it with the healthcare workers on the first round.
The hospital had doses left over after vaccinating their healthcare workers. However, Webster County Deputy EMA Director Tom Booth and Walthall Volunteer Fire Chief Casey Henderson are among those that still have concerns about possible side effects. This is something that a lot of people are nervous about. I, for one, I'm nervous about this shot. I've talked with many others, and we're looking, we want to see some numbers. We want to see data on this. In spite of that, both Booth and Henderson say they will likely get their shots eventually. If it's something that protects my family, the community, if this is something that helps us take this step forward and getting rid of this and getting back to some normalcy, I would not be opposed to the shot. As a reminder, both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines have been approved by the CDC. And other than the minor side effects, Harvard Medical School says that the rare severe allergic reaction connected with those vaccines occur in just 11 cases out of every 1 million.